Hi, my name is Miley Tran, and I'm a final year PhD student in the Department of Cell Biology. I study how proteins get to the correct destinations and which components contributing to these trafficking processes. But today I will focus on science in the kitchen, especially in baking, and how there each component, so the ingredients, contribute to the final bake. I will give you today a short crash course on the science behind flour, eggs, sugar, butter, and leavening. Especially I will focus on yeast as a natural leavening, so that next time you want to bake something with yeast, it will be a full success. See you in the talk.
Hi, my name is Anthony Eisenhower, and I am a cell biology student in the Les King lab, where I study the nucleus in cells and the immune system. However, today I'm going to talk to you about some science that you see in the kitchen. Specifically, I'm going to talk to you about beer, how beer is brewed, how the alcohol in beer is produced by yeast, as well as hangovers and the cures and causes of them.
Hi, my name is Samantha Pagan, and I'm a third year physics graduate student at Yale University. I study nuclear and particle physics, and this talk will be about the nuclear and particle physics that's happening all around us every day in the background in small amounts. This is called background radiation. Your kitchen might be a surprising venue to host this talk in, but this is even happening there, and your kitchen has some useful tools for understanding this. In this talk, I'll tell you about some sources of background radiation in your kitchen, such as a bunch of bananas, and I'll also describe how much radiation they produce and their effects.